Hey there. So as you can see, I got my hands on the new Tropidelic from Bath and Body Works, and I am here to give you a quick review of it. So stay tuned if you like that type of content. As a reminder, if you are here, my name is Hippie Hustle, and I do perfume and lifestyle fun stuff like running and reading. Please subscribe to my channel to ensure that I am encouraged to continue to make content. I am so close, more than halfway close to getting 1,000 subbies, and my goal for 2024, at least the first quarter of it, is to get 1,000 subbies. I am super consistent on my content, so I'm just so happy that you are here. Please like and subscribe. So let's get into the review. So today, girl, I went into Bath and Body. Actually, no, yesterday I went into Bath and Body and I was just picking up order. So I did pick up the Sweetheart Cherry, a review of that coming in another video. So I was checking out, and then I was like tearing off my 20% off coupon, and she was like, you didn't want to use your mini? And I was like, no, because there's nothing I like. And she was like, you got to smell the Tropidelic, right? And I was like, yeah. So she was like, I got it. If you want to check out and get it, let me go see if I got it in a mini. And she did. And long story short, I got this baby for free. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So first, look at the packaging. It's beautiful. We know this. It's like these monochrome, I want to say like bloomed flowers, which is so reminiscent of how it smells. So from memory, the notes are passion flower, misty rainforest, and ylang ylang. And when I first saw the notes, I saw it on a Facebook group. I was like, I am not going to like this. I'm not a big fan of ylang ylang. What the hell is rainforest and passion flower? I don't know. But girl, I'm just here to tell you, it totally blew my mind. So I can say that the body cream and the spray smells exactly alike. So I put it on last night for my night shower, and I wanted to make sure that I had at least a few hours of wear all over my body before I could give you this review. So the first thing I picked up to me was a floral. And to me, the floral is a gardenia. So it's that heavy, dark part of gardenia that you get. And all I could think of was it was reminiscent of that old Kim Kardashian, not the KKW, but the Kim Kardashian scent, where it was just like a heavy gardenia. The next is that it is beast mode.
That's when it just clicked in my mind that if you just run through somebody's face, a lot of people ain't gonna be able to take that.
Like, I put this on for my night shower last night, and I woke up and I like to like open up my shirt and smell, and I could smell it. Like, oh my gosh, like I am just loving this for us. I will say that it is something fruity and tropical, and I guess that passion flower, that passion fruit, and that misty rainforest gives it like a depth that makes it smell like an expensive perfume. Do I have an expensive perfume to compare it to? I don't, but I will say that they did their big one with this one. So honestly, when it does come out, I think it comes out in another week, I will say, please, girl, go ahead and go pick this one up. So for all intents and purposes, I do want to compare it to a couple of sweet florals that I have in my collection. None of them do compare, but these have the same vibe. So first is Marigold and Cane Sugar. And the notes for Marigold and Cane Sugar are golden citrus, sunshine, marigold, cane sugar, and warm amber. And the reason why I am comparing these two, because, let me sniff the top, because they are florals, but they're not those light and fruity girly florals. Like, these are more of a mature floral, not like church lady floral, but they are of a more mature floral that would be appreciated by the working woman or someone that is particularly going somewhere. This one is a good one, y'all. It's like one of my favorites. Like, check out the dent. I try not to use it very much, but I gotta put a dent on it because of the body cream. And I will say, while they are in the same vibe, they are not the same at all. The Marigold and Cane Sugar smells like a floral with pineapple and honey. Like, this one is a really, really good one, but it is not to be compared in similarity to Tropidelic. Again, Tropidelic is a warm, not necessarily a warm floral, a deep floral. Think gardenia, think fruits. I almost want to say there is a coconut note in there, but maybe that's that ylang ylang. Next, the best comparison I do have is with Honey Wildflower. Honey Wildflower is such a good scent. The notes for this one are crisp pear, fresh wildflowers, and sweet honey. Again, this is a super sweet floral, not like a powdery or not like a powdery floral. So it's not like a light floral. It's a super sweet floral that is complex, but it just smells so good. It's not to compare to Tropidelic, but it does have similar or the same vibe. All in all, I would say that Tropidelic is such a good scent. You are going to love it. It is a deep floral. It has that ylang ylang, which gives that more of a tropical note. It's like if you are like burning a floral candle. It is not powdery at all. It is sultry yet fruity. That rain note gives it that aquaticness, gives it that depth that we need when we are often wearing a floral, so that it's not like too feminine and it's too flirty, which there's a time and a place for all of that, but it's not in Tropidelic. I love this one so much. I would say Bath and Body Works did their big one with this one, and this is a 5-star. Do you have this, and what do you think about it? Okay, love y'all. Bye.